If A equals to 2, 4, 6, 9, B equal to 4, 6, 18, 27, form ordered pairs x comma y such that x less than y and x belongs to A and y belongs to B. That means A is domain and B is range. R is required ordered pair where x is less than y. Now see that 2 is less than 4. So 2 and 4 have a relation. 2 is less than 6 is another relation. 2 is less than 18 is another relation. 2 is less than 27 is another relation. 4 is equal to 4 having no relation. 4 is less than 6. 4 is less than 18 is another relation. 4 is less than 27 is another relation. 6 is not less than 4 having no relation. 6 is equal to 6 having no relation. 6 is less than 18 having a relation. 6 is less than 27 having another relation. 9 is greater than 4 having no relation. 9 is greater than 6 having no relation. 9 is less than 18 having a relation. 9 is less than 27 having another relation. So this is total relation on R. A is 2, 4, 6, 9, B is 4, 6, 18, 27. Now R is the relation. X divides Y. X is elements of A, Y is elements of B. 2 divides 4. So having a relation. 2 divides 6 because 2 3s are 6 having another relation. 2 divides 18 having another relation. 2 does not divide 27 having no relation. 4 divides 4 having a relation. 4 does not divide 6 so having no relation. 4 does not divide 18 having no relation. 4 does not divide 27 having no relation. 6 does not divide 4 having no relation. 6 divides 6 so having a relation. 6 divides 18 having relation. 6 does not divide 27 having no relation. 9 does not divide 4 having no relation. 9 does not divide 6 having no relation. 9 divides 18 having a relation. 9 divides 27 having another relation. So this is total relation R where X divides Y. X belongs to A and Y belongs to B.